Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be talking about mobile processors. The moment we talk about mobiles, we come across terms like Snapdragon, Qualcomm, etc. But we don't know what these are exactly and how this can affect the performance of a mobile. So in this video, we'll be specifically talking about mobile processors. So without waiting for anything, let's get started. The mobile phone industry is the fastest changing industry in the world, and with the change in the industry, newer and newer technologies are evolving. If we look at last 5 years, mobile CPUs have changed from single core to dual core and from dual core to octa-core. And even newer technologies are coming in the future. But one question arises, how these mobile making companies manage to fix all these powerful components into a single mobile device? The answer is SoC, that is System on Chips. It's an integrated circuit that combines all the primary components of a PC. So unlike PC where we have different components for different tasks like hard disk, CPU, graphic card, etc. In mobile phones, we'll have a single chip which combines all these components. So unlike in computers, we'll not find separate CPU for mobiles. The CPU for mobile is attached in the SoC. But how powerful the CPU is depends upon the type of fabrication. Fabrication is the process of creation of integrated circuits. It generally measures in terms of nanometer, which gives the size of individual transistors in the CPU. The smaller the size, the more powerful is the CPU. The reason behind this is that if the size of the transistors decreases, then more number of transistors can be fixed in the chip, and hence the more number of circuits can be made. Newer and newer fabrication techniques are evolved to reduce the size of the transistors. If you look at old processors, you will find transistors of 65 nanometer and even larger. But now with the evolvement of latest fabrication techniques, the size of the transistors has been dramatically reduced. And in Snapdragon 820, which is one of the latest processors, you will find transistors of only 14 nanometer. So this reduction in the size of the transistors greatly boosts the performance of the CPUs. It also gives power efficiency. The reason behind this is that if the size is smaller, then the electronics has to travel less between the transistors. The performance of CPU is further enhanced by presence of GPU, which is graphic processing unit. It basically takes the graphical calculation part from the CPU, making it free for other tasks. Since GPU has more number of cores than CPU, it can better manage the load and making the CPU free for other tasks. The popular GPUs which are available in the market are Adreno, Mali, PowerVR, Nvidia, etc. GPUs are used in playing 3D games. However, newer versions of Android OS also use GPU to give a cool user interface. While most of the mobile CPUs are manufactured by ARM, the GPUs are manufactured by various companies, and the mobile manufacturing companies have the freedom to select any GPU with their CPU. This is the reason why two mobiles having the same processors give different performances. So next time when you want to purchase one mobile, you have to look both the processor and the GPU. However, the mobile manufacturing companies do not provide full details about their processor and the GPU. For that, you need to go to the internet and search for the particular mobile you want to purchase and see both the CPU and the GPU. If the CPU and the GPU are in line, then only you can get a better performance. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query regarding this, feel free to reach me. I'll be very happy to help you. Thank you and bye-bye.